In today's fast-paced world, rapid growth means drivers often speed on expressways, risking lives and damaging guardrails. Traditional steel guardrails aren't effective in ensuring safety. However, soft guardrails can absorb crash impacts, potentially saving lives. The roller system, for example, converts shock energy into rotational energy to prevent secondary collisions and lane departures. Its flexibility and elasticity maximize deceleration and adapt to various road facilities, like bridges and traffic signal posts. Key features include a narrower width, independent repairable props, increased bearing power to keep vehicles on the road, and high-intensity reflective sheeting for better visibility day and night. This system aims to protect drivers, ensuring safer and worry-free travel for them and their families. Once the reinforced concrete panels are prepared, it's time to build what you need from them. Leer's innovative houses address significant challenges in the construction industry. With a shortage of skilled workers and rising service costs in many countries, traditional building methods are becoming impractical. Leer offers a modular solution, making house construction quicker, simpler, and more cost-effective. Modular panels allow walls to be erected in hours, significantly reducing construction time and enabling faster occupancy. For example, a 2-story house of 114 square meters for 6 people can be built for as little as $40,000. This affordability appeals to customers seeking budget-friendly housing. The prefabricated panels are manufactured off-site and transported to the construction site, reducing the need for on-site labor and minimizing delays from weather or other factors. Factory production ensures higher quality and consistency in building components. Barcelona Tech, Spain's largest engineering university with over 30,000 students and a vast network of research centers, is known for designing innovative structures like the pavilion using the Zollinger system. This system creates a delicate yet strong mesh structure with 12mm birch plywood, promoting mass-produced modular wooden structures in line with green building trends. The Zollinger Open Classroom in Cancun is a lightweight grid shell made of birch plywood for outdoor lectures. It transfers loads through short beams, allowing curved surfaces without long beams or complex joints, thus reducing cost, time, and weight. The main challenge is designing a joint strong enough to eliminate additional bracing. The entire system is compact and made with standard CNC and laser machinery. Students from the MPDA Master in Parametric Design in Architecture received continuous reviews from international experts tackling design, structural modeling, analysis, fabrication, and construction. Completed in June 2021, this project showcases the integration of technology into architectural education, with workshops on parametric software and numerical control machines to address real architectural challenges. In our unique twist on the classic tale, one of the 3 little pigs built a strong straw house that even the wolf couldn't blow down. This clever pig then started selling EcoCocon blocks, a fictional endeavor based on a real product. While a mix of straw, wood, and membrane might seem simple, the real innovation is in its patented installation technology. Each panel features an interior clay plaster, an external airtight membrane, and a protective wood fiberboard layer, promoting vapor permeability and tailored to fit specific project needs. These panels easily adapt to various architectural designs, from residential to commercial and public buildings, with precision prefabrication for easy assembly. EcoCocon straw wall panels streamline construction, needing only basic carpentry tools. Made from at least 95% ABCX-rated materials, they contain no substances linked to cancer, birth defects, or genetic harm. EcoCocon stands out for its safety and eco-friendliness. The company also boasts a material reutilization score of over 65 and comprehensive nutrient management strategies, ensuring responsible resource use throughout the product lifecycle. Their manufacturing practices meet stringent water quality standards, using dry processes or closed-loop systems to eliminate wastewater outputs, demonstrating a strong commitment to environmental stewardship. Our next featured product is a cement bag retaining wall. Building this type of wall can be challenging due to the weight of each bag, typically around 50 kg. It's important to have the right equipment and sufficient help to tackle this project effectively. Fortunately, many online resources offer detailed instructions to assist you along the way. Constructing a traditional retaining wall is no easy task, but DIY enthusiasts have devised a clever method assembling the wall using unopened concrete bags, similar to building with Lego blocks without the hassle of mortar. Arrange the bags in place, then thoroughly soak them with water from a hose. This activates the concrete inside the bags. Once cured, you can let the paper degrade naturally, peel it away, or burn it off before wetting the concrete. Embedding rebar for reinforcement is straightforward, ensuring structural integrity. This technique simplifies the construction process, making it more accessible for dyers. By leveraging concrete bags effectively, the project becomes a creative construction puzzle, providing a satisfying solution to an otherwise daunting task. Heavy rains are common in many regions worldwide, prompting engineers to develop innovative solutions to manage and mitigate their impact. One such innovation is Italy's Aquabox system, which effectively manages rainwater. These modules collect rainwater and gradually drain it, reducing the load on sewer systems and preventing overflows and flooding. The Aquabox system also serves as a permanent water storage solution, useful for park irrigation during dry periods. This dual functionality makes it valuable for urban planners and municipal authorities aiming to improve water management and sustainability. Additionally, the Aquabox system is easy to assemble, maintain, and repair. Its compact parts allow for manual handling, meaning installation and upkeep can be done without heavy machinery or specialized equipment. This simplicity adds to its appeal as a practical solution for effective water management. Superior Walls panels are custom-made to order. Engineers review building plans and use specialized software to create a production plan. Workers prepare a unique, waterproof concrete mix that is treated at a high pressure of 345 bars. Founded in 1981 by Lancaster County home builder Mel Zimmerman, Superior Walls offers an innovative alternative to traditional home building methods, starting with the foundation. Their precast foundation system addresses long-standing issues in home building, providing a quick and efficient way to create dry, durable basements. Custom designed for each home, Superior Walls foundations ensure warmth, dryness, and efficiency. The panels feature insulation directly bonded to the concrete, enhancing energy efficiency and potentially reducing energy costs. The design also allows for easy insulation upgrades without additional framing. Builders value Superior Walls for their swift installation by certified crews, typically completed in less than a day and in various weather conditions. The controlled factory environment ensures adherence to high industry standards with reinforced concrete and customization options for architectural style. Let's continue today's video by discussing Conform, a leading provider of construction formwork. Numerous companies offer various options for this essential construction component, but Conform stands out with its lightweight alternatives to traditional wooden formwork, using plastic and fiberglass. They offer three types: regular, superflex, and fiberform. For straightforward applications, consider the regular elements available in 5 sizes, up to 4.8 meters by 300 millimeters. These robust units provide a universal solution for standard formwork requirements, boasting a service life of at least 7 years and up to 15 years in some cases. For extensive linear projects, the FiberForm boards excel. These boards come in 5 sizes, up to an impressive 5.85 meters by 300 millimeters, perfect for long, straight sections, ensuring efficiency and durability. For more creative applications, explore the innovative flexible Conform. This solution offers durability and ease of use while accommodating various shapes and curved paths. Its flexibility opens up creative possibilities, enabling the realization of unique designs with ease. It pairs seamlessly with other Conform products using shared cam locks, pins, and joiners for enhanced adaptability, and integrates effortlessly with timber elements, offering a comprehensive toolkit for your construction needs. A Dutch team named Q-Layers has developed robots for industrial painting tasks, capable of handling diverse objects like wind turbines, storage tanks, and even ships. In one impressive video, they tackled a tank measuring 130 feet in diameter. Their innovative coating head aims to bring advanced functional coatings, previously confined to research labs, to large, visible surfaces. One notable coating they offer is Avantgarde's drag-reducing shark skin, designed to cut CO2 emissions and improve energy efficiency, enhancing the performance of wind turbines and fostering a more sustainable transportation ecosystem. Currently, coating large structures is labor-intensive, dangerous, and costly. Manual application often results in inefficiencies like overspray and low transfer rates, requiring energy-heavy and hazardous coating facilities to avoid contamination. This underscores the need for an automated solution to reduce environmental impact and streamline the process. Q-Layers provides a premium service by offering a controlled environment for applying and certifying innovative coatings, setting a new industry standard for efficiency and environmental responsibility. Murphy's traditional reinforcing mesh is now available in convenient 3-meter lengths, making it compact and easy to transport. However, for longer spans, overlapping the mesh can be cumbersome due to numerous connections. To solve this, Murphy has introduced Murphy Compact, available in a 30-meter roll, simplifying use and installation. Murphy Compact comes in variants suited for different conditions. Murphy Compact I-50 and I-100 are ideal for dry environments like clay bricks and concrete blocks in exposure class MX1, while Murphy Compact E35 and E70 are designed for exterior conditions. Made from a blend of steel cord mesh and fiberglass roving, Murphy Compact provides the same performance as traditional welded joint reinforcement and meets an 8453 standards. This product line supports various wall widths and offers options in steel or stainless steel for specific exposure needs. Its advantages include efficient crack control, durability, and structural integrity, with high-strength steel ensuring reliability and a design that facilitates easy handling and installation.